this is it.
Nais mo bang malaman kung anong pakiramdam ng magbiyahe sa bus dito sa Vietnam? Samahan niyo ako sa isang kakaibang sleeper bus ride mula sa mataong lungsod ng Hanoi hanggang sa malimig at magagandang bundok ng Sapa at mga di dapat gawin. Tara, samahan niyo ako para sa isang kakaibang biyahe na puno ng tanawin, tunog at karanasan habang naglalakbay papunta sa malayuro-pang lugar sa Vietnam. So dito ko pwedeng mag-book here, and this is the bus going to Sapa. And dito kailangan mong tanggalin yung iyong paa, yung iyong sapatos. Ganito sila kalinis. And yung nabuko ko is cabin. So I don't know how it's gonna look like. Ayan o, kailangan tanggalin yung ano. Naku, may butas pa naman yung aking sa paa, no? Medyas. Nakakahiya. Diba nga? So, tanggalin natin ang ating shoes. And then, nilalagay nila sa plastic. So, ito yun. At ito yung cabin ko. Ayan. That is my cabin. Oh, very nice, no? Tapos dito yung ating toilet nila. Of course. Oh, may toilet sila. Ayan. Ganito yung sleeper bus natin papuntang probinsya. Diba? And then kung gusto mo matulog, pwede mo siyang ibaba. Ayan o. Pwede ka nang mag-borlog. O pwede mo pang ibaba ang baba. Which is ayaw ko naman. Ayan, ang ganda. May curtain siya. And then may stop over and we have to wear like ayan o, ano lang, sleepers. Ayan o sila, naka-sleepers lang. Kasi, ayan, so parang ganun din sa Pilipinas, pwede kang mamili. Pero dito parang mas organized sila. Ayan o, look, mas organized. Tapos pwede kang kumain. You have coffee. I think I have coffee, Americano. So I'll have Americano na lang. Ayan. So wala na may mga kainan pa doon. This is going to Sapa. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God. Diba? Excited to go to Sapa. Ayan, oh, pwede kang kumain dito. Ayan, ayan yung mga food nila siniserve dito. But I think, and dito yung CR nila, of course, I can go. May bayad din yung CR.
Hello, inside sugar?
No sugar, please. So, ayan na nga, papasok na. So, we need to go. I need to put this back there. And then, ayan na, sira pa naman yung sorry. And then we have to go up now kasi ayun na yung driver. I just bought something.
Nhà đi vệ sinh đi đóng cửa thế cứ mở cửa ra là phải hết đi.
Oh, there you
Thế các
go.
bạn ơi.
Okay. Sorry. Ano si Kuya? Pogi-pogi ni Kuya. Oh, kasi may boyfriend niya. Makaloka siya. Sorry.
Đồ này này.
AX5.
Đây à?
Yes.
Cái này đi.
Alright.
Cái héo luôn.
Ayun na nga. Di ba bumili ako ng Gucci ng 40,000 dong? Kinompiscate niya kasi bawal daw kumain dito sa loob. Pati nga yung coffee ko, sabi niya inumin ko na daw. Siyempre. Pero okay lang din naman. Kasi nga, cleanliness yung ano talaga nila dito. Gusto nila malinis parate. Nakakaloka. Ang hirap talaga yung ano. Siyempre, kailangan natin i-respect yung culture nila. Kailangan natin ng konting pasensya kahit yung mga ganyang bagay na parang sa atin, parang it's rude na bigla mo na lang hahabulitin yung pagkain, di ba, na wala kang sabi-sabi or anything. So anyway, ayun, yun lang naman. Pero the trip and all, it's so good. And I love this. I love this thing. It's because parang very ano lang siya. Look. Di ba, ang saya? Ay, ang ganda doon. Look. Ganda. Hindi siya temple. Cemetery. Cemetery pala siya. So, I'm here now sa Sapa and wala siyang Grab. So, chinecheck ko kung merong Grab, wala. So, ayan siya. Anyway, so nagbook na lang ako ng taxi going to my hotel. So, this is Sapa. So, I'm going to the hotel now. Ito yung taxi nila. Ang kitang taxi nila, in fairness. Very nice. Saan ganun din sa Pilipinas?
In 200 meters, turn right.
Malinis. Diba? Ayan siya. This is Sapa. Very nice. Oh. And it's kind of cold. So this was the lake. I know. I thought
Turn right.
The lake. Pero alam mo yun. Oo nga, no. So yun yung mga pupuntahan ko late. Anyway, it's only like 1:15. So I still have a lot of time to roam around. And I haven't had lunch. So siguro balik ako dito later. I just need to see.
In 600 meters, slight left.
Kung ano ang sitwasyon ng hotel, it's because dapat kasi nandito na ako kahapon pa. But ayun nga, na-cancel yung booking ko in Da Nang. Oh my god, so I stayed one more night in Da Nang and then I just arrived in Hanoi yesterday. So yun. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. Oh yan, ito the famous lake. Ayan no, ito yung famous lake nila. O, diba? The architecture, and yeah, para kang lang nasa, you're kinda in Europe, you're not in Vietnam. Because of the architectures and the buildings. Ayan no, look, the surroundings. I hope you can see. Ayan. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful over there. Oh. I'm so glad that, you know, I was like thinking of not going here anymore in Sapa, but I'm glad that I did went. You know I'm gonna have an adventure. Especially tomorrow, I'm gonna go to Fansipan. I hope it's not gonna rain and it will be a good weather.
Slight left.
Ayan. Ito parati kong nakikita yung ano na to, street. Okay. Look at the street. It's so colorful. Parang a walking street to. Siguro ito yung walking street ng ano, Sapa. Kasi it's nice. Ayan o. Diba? Okay, na-traffic kami. Okay, enough of that. And look at the side. Oh, ayan o.
In 300 meters, sharp left.
Kakape. Oh, balik ako dito mamaya talaga. I'm so excited. Oh, may lechon din. Look. Ayun o. Nakita nyo ba? That's lechon. Baboy. Leon 061. How do you pronounce that? I don't know. Tada! So, ayan siya. Ito yung famous na BB Hotel. And yung katabi niya is, look. I'm gonna show you. Sorry, I'm just there. Yung katabi ng BB Hotel, that's where the station, I think, the Sun Plaza, that's where you can buy the ticket going to Fansipan. So yeah. Oh, very nice. Oh, look, oh, there's a globe. Si Kuya, nainip na siya sa traffic. Kaya we're gonna go here. Oh, ayun. Nice.
Turn right, then. Your destination will be on the right.
I think I'm gonna have a great time over here. May Grab din pala. So there's Grab. Okay, perfect. Ayan, may Grab din pala here. Just saw a Grab bike. So, I'll do that. So that's it.
Destination is on the right.
Destination is over